May God bless you as you listen. Long ago in the land of Canaan, there lived a boy named Joseph. He was loved dearly by his father Jacob, but his brothers not so much.
Good morning, Dad and brothers.
Good morning, Daddy.
Do you know what?
Yes.
Last night I had a dream. I was in the field tying my weeds into bundles. Then my sheep stood up. Yours came, surrounded it, and bowed down to it. Another dream. I saw the moon, the sun, and the 11 stars bowing down to me.
You want to mean that me, your 11 brothers, and your mother are going to bow down to you?
Dad, let's stop listening to this dreamer boy. Let's just go and rear our cattle.
But before you go, I'm going to need Joseph and Benjamin to stay here. The rest can go. Joseph, where are you? Can you hurry up? I need you to go and take for your brother's food and make sure they are okay. Have you heard?
His brothers hated him more because of their dreams, but God was with Joseph and had a plan.
Hey, you guys. What can we do to him?
Dad will quarrel. I have a plan. We catch, we tear the coat. We take to Dad, we say that the boy, the lion ate. But no, it will not work. Let us throw him in the dry well. Yes, he will die there.
Where are we going to buy a person? Wait, have you heard where we're going to buy a person? We pass this side over that side. That side. Okay, we can go. Now where are we going to buy? Hey, how are you?
We have a slave that we are selling.
Slave?
Yes.
Your slave?
Yes.
Hey, how much is he?
500.
500?
Yes.
Not 300.
You see the man is on his
Yes, you see, it does not have meat. Where's the meat? But it's not handsome. Hardworking?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to give you 200. 300?
Yes. No, 500.
Only 400 now.
500.
I'm going to give you 400. Give him the money, 400. Now you give me. But you come, I'm from buying you. Hey.
And so Joseph was taken to Egypt as a slave, and brothers lied to his father Jacob, saying,
our brother is where? You people! What? Our brother is not there.
Let us go check. Where's our brother?
I
have a black knee. Let us go and tell the court and take to Daddy. Daddy, how do you think this court is? What's wrong? Why are you crying? Wait, is this the court of Joseph? Is this the court of Joseph? Where's my son? Where's my son? Where's my son? Where's my son? My son! My son! I want my son until I die. Where's my son?
Joseph served in the house of Potiphar, an Egyptian official who worked hard, and God blessed him.
You can welcome. You can come in. What's wrong? You're selling him. How much? And I'm going to give you 100. 100. You have said 300. 5,000. Boy, you want to take my money? You're saying 300, 500, 5,000. Boy, what do you want? It's the meat. Where's the meat? Show me the meat. Wow, where's the meat? Is he handsome? Is he handsome more than me? Yeah? I'm not giving. You see, key. Okay, give him 200. And then there you go. Joseph. You're called Joseph, not so? Now I'm going to give you everything that's in my house, apart from my wife. Have you heard? Have you heard? Then you can go.
Joseph, please, I want to sleep with you. Joseph, may you please go and clean my room? Today I'll sleep with you.
No! What's wrong?
This servant of mine wanted to rape me.
Which servant?
Joseph.
Where's Joseph? Joseph! Joseph! You. Boss, your servant wanted to rape your wife. Yes. My servant? Yes. My servant? Yes. Oh, let me come back. Let me come back. Go. You wanted to rape my wife? What's wrong? What's wrong? Joseph. Joseph, I gave you everything that's in my house, apart from my wife. Then you wanted to rape. Take him to prison.
Even in prison, Joseph stayed faithful. He met two men with dreams.
What have you brought for me? Can you take out this thing from my face?
Hey.
All of you are making me annoyed. Don't take your things. Take them to the prison. Yes.
Okay, we go.
Take them.
We go to Joseph. Guys here. Sorry. From today onwards, you'll be sleeping there, I'll also be sleeping here. Good morning. Why are you sad?
That night I had a dream. I saw a tree with 3 branches and it had fruits. I went and I picked fruits and I took to the king for juice. What does that dream mean?
Congratulations. It means in 3 days, the king will release you and you go back to your position. And please, if you read there, tell the king I'm an innocent man. I don't have any evil. To release me.
Later I had a dream. I was carrying 3 baskets on my head with bread. The birds came and ate it. What does it mean?
Sorry. It means you, in 3 days, the king will raise you and they will hang you and chop off your head and you will be eaten up by birds. Sorry.
And this happened just as Joseph said 2 years later.
Potiphar.
Yes.
Go and bring for me those slaves.
They are already there.
Yes. You, for your case, I'm going to chop off your head and hang you to the birds to be eaten. And you, I have mercy upon you. I'm going to give you back your position, but if you do any error, I will chop your head off.
Yes.
Chop his head off.
Yesterday night I had a dream.
What was it about?
Go and call for me those sorcerers.
I already called them.
I want you to interpret for me my dream. I saw 7 fat cows. They came and started eating the grass. After, what amazed me, I saw other 7 cows. They were tiny and they were looking very bad. And they came, instead of feeding on the grass, they started eating those other cows. Can one of you tell me the meaning of that dream? Sir, for me, I don't know the meaning of that dream. Just defeated me. What about you?
Yeah. I don't know.
Even I don't know.
What are you doing before me? Take them out of my sight.
I have brought for you wine. I have remembered. There is a boy in prison. His name is Joseph. He interpreted for us the dreams.
On my command, go and bring for me that young boy called Joseph.
Yes, sir.
Young man, I was told that you once interpreted dreams. I want you to interpret for me my dream. Can you?
I cannot interpret, but God can.
I saw 7 fat cows. They came and started eating the grass. After, I saw other tiny cows. They came and started eating the other fat cows. I want you to tell me the meaning of that dream. And if you cannot, get out of my sight.
There God gives the meaning. It means in seven years there will be plenty, and in 7 years there will be famine. But my advice to you, King, you need a wise man in your kingdom. Tell the people to store food for those 7 years of famine.
But
Yes.
I want you to help me. Do I have any wise man in my palace?
No.
So I suggest for this time you can be the one in charge of all food and the stores in my country.
That one.
He can. He's the only wise man I have.
My wife.
No.
Years passed, the famine came. Joseph's brothers came to Egypt to buy food, but it recognized him.
Well, guys, yeah, what are you doing here?
We have come to buy food.
Where are you from? Are you spies?
No, we are all spies. We are from Canaan.
Why you resemble yourselves?
We are from one family. Our father is called Jacob, and our brother who left home is Benjamin, and we are 12 in our family, but one died.
Then bring your young brother and one remain to prove that you're not spies.
No, we can't. Our father will not allow.
I say you can't bring him.
They returned with Benjamin. Joseph couldn't no longer hold back.
Here is Benjamin, who you asked us to bring, and even our father Jacob.
My son, I'm happy to see you.
What's the name of your brother who died?
Joseph.
Then get food. Today we're going to celebrate together. Take them back. I take them back. Take. I'm your brother, Joseph.
Forgive us, forgive us, forgive us, forgive us, forgive us, Joseph. Forgive us.
You did it for evil, but God did it for good to save many lives. I have forgiven you.
Joseph forgave his brothers and brought his whole family to Egypt. From the pit to the palace, God was with Joseph, and he is with us too. Thank you.